We're making stick of butter, chicken, and rice. Let's go. This is going to be the easiest recipe that y'all have ever done and ever seen. Maybe not. I don't know. Get you a good pan, maybe 9 by 13 or something like that. I'm using Jasmine rice. I got 2 cups of rice and just pour that in. 2 cans of beef consommé. So you can just pour those into, right like that. Just pour it on top of the rice. And this is 1 can of French onion soup. Okay? Add that too, but I'm going to add 1 cup of water, or at least whatever this is. Each can is 10.5 ounces. My mushrooms. I'm just going to put those right on top. I'm going to stir this around a little bit. And then next, just add your butter. I've got 2 halves, that's 1 stick. I'm going to cut it up and put it on top. Garlic salt. This is pepper. Garlic powder. Make sure you get it all over the floor. What is this, onion powder? Oh, okay. Humidity. Look, that's what happens. Humidity. Got some of it. You know what? There will be no onion powder on there tonight. Crash out. Okay, heavy paprika, because I love me some paprika. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these over and I'm going to do the other side, because nobody wants one side of seasoning. Trust me. Do both sides. Good. Everybody nestled in? Everybody going to sleep? I don't have any kids, so I talk to my food a lot. And I don't have any dogs anymore, so what do you do? Hey, Daddy's gonna cover you up. So now, cover this bad boy up. You're gonna put it in the oven for 40 minutes on 400 degrees. Then we're gonna take the lid off, or foil, whatever you'd like, and do for 15 minutes, and we're done. Look at how easy that was. Was that not easy? Look, we got like no cleanup to do either. All I gotta do is put my seasonings up, and that's it. Got it? Okay, can you see this? Okay, look. Okay. Right on. Perfect. Okay. So, we're pretty much there. Now we just have to put it back in for like 15 to 20 minutes. It just depends. I need all of that juice to get soaked in by the rice. I know there's a little residual chicken juice. So hopefully it'll all just go right into the rice. We'll see. So, 15, 20 minutes. Here we go. Oh, that looks so good. Look. Doesn't it look good? It smells delicious. You guys have to make this. Okay, can y'all see me good? Okay, I'm just gonna take some. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at how moist, beautifully cooked the rice is. It's fabulous. And we're just gonna eat it. Does it have to look pretty? Absolutely not. Why? Because I'm hungry. We're going to try it. Ready? Ooh. Cut.